Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel Technical Route. So from today's title you have already understood what will be the content. So today's content is that how you can change the home layout for your YouTube channel. So basically when you go to a YouTube channel with maybe billion subscribers or even 1000 or 10,000 subscribers, normally you will see a different YouTube layout. So that's the normal YouTube layout that every YouTuber keep. However, when you open a new YouTube channel, when you check out, you can see that it's a bit different YouTube home layout. So with a series of simple easy steps and also some settings change, you can easily change your home layout to that normal YouTube home layout. So I will show you and I will help you in this video how to do that. So without further delay, let's begin this video. So to perform this, there are some simple easy steps. So firstly you have to go to your YouTube application on your mobile phone. So this is my test channel. So actually when I just opened this channel few days before, so my home layout is like this. So this is the basic home layout which appears on your YouTube channel after you open a new channel. So this is common to everyone. So just you need to change this to a different layout. So normally if we see here, if you can type here, normally just going to this channel, you can see the home layout. Now this is the home layout, right? So this is the normal home layout that is being similar to the YouTuber. So I will show you to change that layout to this layout. So firstly after going to the YouTube, just check it out whether it's that or not. So after that, after going from YouTube channel, you have to go to your browser. So it may be Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or any other browser. I will obviously suggest you to go to Google Chrome, that's better. So just after going to Google Chrome, what you need to do, that you have to type youtube.com. After doing youtube.com, you have to sign in. So I have already signed in. You can see I'm just tapping on this button. Yes, it is already being signed in. You can see this is my first account. That's the account. So I have already signed in. You need to sign in. And now what you have to do, this is the mobile version of YouTube. So after typing youtube.com, it will be redirected to your channel. However, that will be your mobile so that will be your mobile version, right? So you have to change that into desktop version. So what you have to need to do is that if you use Google Chrome browser, just go to your settings, and here is an option called desktop side. Just tick it. Yeah, it's getting loaded. So now you have come into your desktop version. This is your desktop version for your channel. So now just click on your channel and yes, you have clicked it. Now just go to your channel first. After doing that, there's an option called customize channel. So just click on customize channel, and after this you can see there is an option on the top right corner of this page, and you can see that's an option called settings. Yeah, obviously you can identify that. Just tap on that settings option. Now after tapping on it, you can see that there is a page called privacy. So this page called channel settings, I'm sorry. So there are options like privacy, customize the layout of your channel, translate information, like this. So just there's a main option is privacy. So just all are on. You can see all are turned on, and now you can see there's that's a main option is customize the layout of your channel. So it is already being turned on. However, it is not saved. So you need to save it so that you can change the home layout. So already everything is done automatically. However, you need to just save it. So just before saving, I'm just explaining it. This option, the customize the layout of your channel, recommended for people who upload videos regularly, add a channel trailer, suggest content for your subscribers, and organize all your videos and playlists into sections. Which means normally if you are a regular YouTuber and you upload regular videos, mainly for those this is suitable. So you are a regular YouTuber and you open a new channel, you don't know how to change the home layout. Normally every YouTuber has that kind of home layout that has been shown before. So you can simply follow these steps, and now after reaching this step, you just need to click on save. Just clicking it one more time. or just zooming it. Oh, no problem, it has been saved. Okay, just you can see that it has been saved. Just a soft touch and the save has been clicked. Now you can see this channel is like this. So now we will be going back into our YouTube application, just refreshing it one time, refreshing it the second time. You can do it, and just tapping on my channel, just going to your channel, and now you can see the changes here. It's taking a bit, and now you can observe the changes here. Now you can see. So this is the basic layout for YouTubers who upload regular YouTube videos. So the basic home layout that appears after opening a YouTube channel has been changed to a regular YouTube home layout. So you can see with this simple series of steps you can easily change the home layout to a regular one. And these are not very difficult. It's very easy. Just observe it and follow the steps, and you can easily do it from yourself. So you can do that you can perform this from mobile using your desktop. I have just shown the steps. Using your desktop means you can perform that on desktop side. So hope you understood the steps of how to perform the change of the home layout for your YouTube channel. After performing these simple steps, you can easily change that and do it from yourself. So hope you like the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and till then stay tuned with this channel and keep smiling and be happy.